Hi guys, I'm going to go over editing the homepage in this screencast, and we'll start by just bringing up the catering obx.com/manager URL in our browser, and then you can log in with your username and password. Now you've got the manager view, the ModX manager view. I'm going to just click the resource number 1, which is home. It's got that home icon by it. And let's just say, well, first things first, I'm going to hit preview, and that gives me a better visual of what I'm working on. And I'd like to go ahead and maybe give a new heading and some new copy to this area, and then also swap out this photo. So we'll go back now to the tab where the manager is. I'll scroll down. I'll find the resource content field, and we'll just remove that. I've got some copy. I'm just going to select copy and paste over here. One thing I did want to show you is that you can view the source code by clicking this icon, and that will show you that this is within a paragraph, and then the heading here is the H3 tag. You don't really need to be concerned about that, but if you ever have anything a little bit unusual, it's kind of helpful to know that you can look here and troubleshoot it. So let's add a link to Steamers Pots to Go, and maybe we'll call this Steamers Pots to Go. I'm going to get that registered trademark symbol. Okay, and I wanted to now link this text to a page we have within the site. So I'll click on the chain link here. It's not a URL or an external link. It's going to be within ModX. So I'm just going to search for it, and there it is, number 47, the resource ID of 47. If I click on it, you'll see that the URL changes. This is the code to direct the link to that. And we can see it now if we click save and continue editing, and then now we'll go and refresh our page here. So you can see there's the link. If we click it, it takes us to Steamer Pots to Go, and we've got a new title. If we wanted to maybe drop the to go on another line, this would be a chance where we could click the source code, and you can see that this BR tag is a carriage return. We'll just pull that out and then add it back here, and then you can see now that it goes Steamers Pots, and then the to go is on the other line. Finally, I'm going to go over adding in a new image. We can do this by uploading it from our desktop or your computer. You'll notice that the image needs to be 1600 by 1536 pixels in dimensions. Yeah, it doesn't have to be exactly that, but that is what the recommended the ratio is. So I'm going to upload it. I said it was on my desktop, so I'll go find it. I think I called it Steamers Pots to Go. I may have already uploaded this, and if I did, it may create a copy, and it did. So if you've got a file already there, you can see there's 2 of these. ModX just appends the the parentheses in 1 so that it's not duplicate file names. Once clicking that, and then left clicking save, I now can go back and refresh this page, and you can see I've got a brand new image, and I also have some new copy right here. So I hope that's been helpful. Any questions, feel free to let me know. Thanks.